Hey, so we are going to make the type B or type B or type 2 kind of petals with the 7.5-inch rose. So let's do it. So of course, first step, curl the petals. So cut the petals. I've already cut the petals using the pattern. So next step would be curling the petals. So I would curl it this way, this way. Get one, flip it and then curl it inwards. So this is done. Grab your petal too. Inwards, 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 inwards. Inwards and then inwards, 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 and flip it. Fold on the opposite direction. That's done. Last. Done. Let's do the bud. Make a cone. Attach it. Attach it. Put glue on the side. Close it. Cut the edges. So hold it. So while you're holding it and it's drying, so cut the edges. So that way, when you're done, it's already attached. So one way to test it again is like pinch it on the opposite direction. So I'm good with it. So this is good. Get your second petal one. So we're gonna attach it. So begin on this side where you've left off. Glue, put glue, put glue, put glue. So close it. Close it this way. Oops. So pinch it again to test. Okay, so this opened up, so I'm gonna add more glue. I'm gonna get my petal, last petal one. So this one compared to this one where I have two, I can have two. So you have the option to use this or you have the option to cut this part. But for this one, let's try having all four. Oops. So that's done. So we're gonna attach it close to the bud. So add more glue when or if necessary. While you're waiting for it to dry, so cut the corners. Get your petal number 2. So we're gonna attach it. So position it. So we're gonna do the same direction. So I'm gonna position it like in between. So the test here is make sure that this side would most likely be positioned on this side or this edge. So if you see like this one, yep, perfect. Last pair for petal 2. So this is also one easier way or one way to place glue on your petal. So ta-da! Last pairs of petal. So you want to position it first, so in between them, so as you can see. And you'd want to put your glue here. And position it like that. And I think I prefer to do it this way. So let's attach our petals. So we'll do 2 at a time. So we can push it back together. So make sure that it would go to the edges. Like this. So push it. Push it, push it, and then the other. So you actually kind of have the option to kind of push these back. So you see that it's kind of protruding. It's not like laying so flat on the curve. Like I kind of pushed it, so there's actually space here. But that way, I would have more like a 3D effect here because I kind of push it a little bit back. Last, so So position it here. So let's attach it two at a time again. So what I meant earlier when I said I'm kind of pushing it back, so instead of attaching it like this, I'm kind of pushing this back and attaching it like this. So as you can see, I kind of push it a little bit back so it won't protrude like this. So it will be a little bit rounder. Yeah, so we're kind of controlling it similar to the other type that you're attaching the petals one by one. So let's place in some glue. And attach it. Other side. And there you have it. So let's compare it to the type 1. So again, you have more control with this one with the individual petals, but this is so much faster. So that's all. Toodles! You have the option, by the way, to put a base here,